Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes fix stuck with caps lock, how to write lowercase once again. My keyboard caps lock is struck, always type only capital letters, how to type lowercase letters once again. Simple solution is type region in search bar. Click region and language settings. Click region and language. Click advanced keyboard settings. Click language bar options. Click advanced key settings. Click press the shift key. Click apply, OK. Hold the shift key to enter capital letters. Release the shift key, you can enter lowercase letters. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.